In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create marketing journeys in Freshsales. To get started, open your Freshsales account and look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. The first thing we need to do is click Marketing in that sidebar. This is where Freshsales groups all the tools related to campaigns, journeys, and automated marketing activities, so clicking this section helps you land in the right place right away. Once you click Marketing, you will see more options appear. Next, select Customer Journeys. This page is specifically designed for building and managing journeys, which are automated sequences that guide contacts through marketing steps based on triggers and actions. Now that you are in Customer Journeys, it is time to create a new journey. Click Create Journey. At this point, you should expect to see options for how you want to build your workflow. Freshsales gives you a couple of ways to start, depending on whether you want to use an existing layout or build from the ground up. Next, choose a template or select Start from Scratch. If you choose a template, Freshsales will provide a pre-built structure that you can adjust to match your campaign. If you start from scratch, you have full control over every part of the journey. Either option works well, so pick the approach that fits your comfort level and your timeline. After you decide how to begin, you will need to choose a name of your journey. This name is important because it helps you identify what the journey is for later, especially when you create multiple journeys over time. Choose something clear and descriptive, so it is easy to understand at a glance when you return to review or update it. With the journey name set, the next part is all about timing and rules. Now you will set your trigger. Your trigger is the event that starts the journey. In other words, it is what tells Freshsales, when this happens, begin the sequence. Look at the Builder area where you can configure blocks and then drag the block into the builder. This is a key step because the trigger block defines the starting point for everything that comes after. After the trigger is in place, you will add the steps that happen once the journey starts. That is where actions come in. You will drag and drop actions into the builder. Take a moment to consider what you want the contact to do or receive after the trigger fires. Actions might include sending a message, updating fields, or any other automated operation available in your journey builder. Add each action in the order you want them to occur, so the flow is clear and logical. As you place your actions, focus on how the journey connects from one step to the next. Next, connect the steps. This connection is what ensures Freshsales understands the sequence. Without proper connections, your journey might not run in the way you intend, or some steps might not execute at the right time. Once all the steps are connected and your flow looks correct, you are ready to run the journey. Click Start Journey. This will activate it so it can begin responding to your trigger based on the logic you set. Before you start, it is a good idea to quickly review the builder to make sure the trigger and actions are arranged in the correct order and that nothing is missing. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create a marketing journey in Freshsales, from opening the right menu all the way to starting the journey.